Hello class, I just wanted to make a new video for our new chapter. If you're wondering about that sticks example, this is kind of how it works. And this is just kind of for fun. It does relate to what we're doing later in the chapter, but it's not a necessary thing to learn. But I'm just kind of going to show it to you because I think it's kind of neat. So for 32, I'm going to make 3 sticks here and 2 sticks here. So that's the 30 and the 2. We're going to do the same thing here, 20 and the 1. And it's just kind of something neat that happens here. If I count how many times the sticks cross, there's a 6 here. So that's this part here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here there's 2. So it's just kind of a neat way to multiply. It kind of ties in a little bit, but it's not something we need to focus on moving forward. I really want us to learn how to expand our binomials using one of these 2 methods. So these were the ones that were later on in our worksheet, the first one being the chart method. So here we have 2x plus 4 times 3x minus 1. So I'm going to put the 2x and the 4 here. I'm going to put the 3x and the minus 1 here. And now this kind of works like a multiplication table. So 2x and 3x, that's going to multiply to 6x squared. 3x and 4 is 12x. 2x and negative 1 is negative 2x. And lastly, negative 1 and 4 is negative 4. Now, we're only interested in that inside part of the chart. So this is equal to 6x squared plus 12x minus 2x minus 4. At this point, there are a couple like terms that we can put together. We can group those x's together. So this leaves us with 6x squared plus 10x minus 4. Okay, so I find this one, the method we used on the page prior with algebra tiles, that one just gets a little tedious to draw, and it's kind of more useful in class where we have the actual tiles in our hands to work with. So this is one method I would like you to try, or you can use this second method. So this is the FOIL method. And FOIL stands for first. Well, we don't need 2 O's. Out. Yeah, I gotta learn how to spell. Outside, inside, and last. So what that means is we're going to multiply the first term in each of the brackets. So 5x times 2x would be 10x squared. Then we're going to multiply the outside terms. So that's going to be 5x times negative 3, which is negative 15x. We're going to multiply the inside terms, which is negative 7 times 2, which is negative 14x. And we're going to multiply the last terms, which is going to be plus 21 when you multiply a negative 7 and a negative 3. So similar to this one, there's going to be 2 terms generally in the middle. Doesn't always happen that way, but almost, well, the majority of the time for what we're looking for, it'll be both those x terms that we can group together. So we have 10x squared, negative 15 minus 14. So we're getting further in the negative direction. Is going to be negative 29x plus 21. And that's it. So what I would like you to do is kind of choose which one you like better out of these 2, because I think these are the most appropriate for what we're going to be moving forward doing. All right, have a good day.